Yo, what's good everyone? It's Jay and welcome back to another video. Today guys, we're going to be doing a pistol trick shotting race with a couple of friends. So hopefully you guys happen to enjoy this video. Let's just get right into it. Good luck.
No, this is easy from here, trust me, right?
Oh, just going for a break there, he'll hit, no problem.
And we got J1K. So yeah, we're gonna get...
Where's J1K?
You get 3 minutes
Jared.
to hit a shot, and whoever hits a shot would move to
Encrypted, get your ass down here.
So yeah, Ross.
Look, it looks like he's...
Shut that hell up.
Are you ready,
It looks like he's just holding his pants. He has his hands down his pants. That's what it looks like when he held... Look at this, does it look like I have my hands in my pants? Look at me, I'm over here.
Bruh.
I got my hands in my pants. Yo, K-Dog, look at this. I got my hands in my pants.
No, your voice can't help you. I know, Ross, are you ready? 3 minutes.
I choked on my saliva.
Alright, let's
Go
go.
for your dick.
Oh, it's so done.
Oh, here we go. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start it.
Right, it's Jay's
let's
turn
do a
to go.
foursome.
Me and Ross in
You gotta spectate us now. You gotta spectate us.
Oh, I just start when you're ready.
Just try again.
Oh.
Yo.
Wait, he's already going for a shot.
Oh.
Yeah, stop playing that.
That tasted good.
Do it.
We're molesting a dead body. That was against the rules and rights of that dead body, okay?
I don't know what to go for. Holy crap.
There's something called an A button. Use it. Oh my god, I'm tranquil.
Whoa.
Like, they use it.
Down.
I crashed my Lamborghini. It's just a Hot Wheels Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah. You just hit all 3 minutes.
I hit.
Oh my god.
Oh, I
hit it. I wanna be a millionaire. Go freaking bad.
Oh, chill, Jay. We need to do the intro.
I know. Bro, the first shot I hit was so clean. I can't even go
I'm staying
for it.
anonymous. Just put my picture as like the freaking defaults.
Right, you're halfway through your time.
Oops.
What? Wrong gun.
Did he almost show with the intervention?
Who's
What if he accidentally... I have a feeling I'm gonna accidentally hit with an intervention. I have a feeling. I'm gonna go for my shot. I'm gonna go like, wow,
Alright, got 1 minute left.
1 minute.
I...
Yo, I hit. What did I hit?
Yeah, I'm just stunned.
Oh my god, I thought I hit my marker to like attack or something.
I don't think Jay has moved in about 4 years. You're wasting 3 minutes of my life. That wasn't me! That wasn't C-Dot, as you can tell me, is what?
Oh, I'm 1 minute 33.
You're just taking the hair off my head. Thanks for the free haircut.
I'm actually so done.
Is every song you can think of copyrighted?